Within process, we talk about document and simplify, and we talk about FBA. Now, when I document a process the very first time, the things that we are going to be looking for is what you're doing today. So go observe from beginning to end what's happening. Okay, how's it working? Then we are going to start to figure out how we can optimize. What are the steps that we can improve? Maybe we have folks that don't know we have new software, or there's ways to stitch this system, that system. So we're going to start to optimize our process. And then we're going to go back and we're going to basically test that process. And we're going to see, does this work? And this might go back and forth a few different times before we finally get it to the final draft. And at the end of the day, on a process, we do have to get it approved. If this is a core process, one that is instrumental in how we run our company, we want the leadership team to approve it. We're not looking for the leadership team to know every layer and every step, but we want them to make sure that they understand what the 6 or 8 steps are in that process. And so that's how we start to document and simplify. Too often we miss the simplify step because we like complexity, most of us. Well, some don't, but I do. I love to make things big and bad. But you got to keep moving it back. Now, once I have this big, beautiful core process and we've approved that this is the best way for us to do it in XYZ company, the next thing I got to do is I have to follow by all. And this is where the rubber meets the road.